Hey guys, today I'm going to do some broccoli and cheese rice in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I'm starting off with 2 cups of water. It's already in the pot. 1 cup of rice. That's brown rice, but you could use white rice as well. And then a bag of frozen broccoli. That's a 12-ounce bag, but I guess you could use a 16-ounce bag as well if you prefer more broccoli. And then a can of cream of mushroom soup. Alright. Okay, that is in there. And then for seasoning, I'm just going to use just a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this all the time. Besides pepper, has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I won't go too heavy with that. Now we'll just stir this all up. That was cream of chicken soup, not cream of mushroom. But you could use cream of mushroom if you wanted to, probably. Anyway, we'll get the lid on there. Now I'm going to cook this on high until the rice is cooked, and I'll add shredded cheese at the end. It's been 2.5 hours. Let's see how this looks. That looks good. I know the rice is cooked in the middle because I did this the other day, and then that's how long it took for the rice to cook in the middle. It cooks faster on the edges than it does in the middle, but it's cooked in the middle. So now I'm just going to add some cheese on the top. Now I think I'll just add it on the top, but you could also mix it in if you want it really cheesy. So I'm just going to put some cheese on the top for right now and put the lid on to let it melt, and then we'll try it out. It's been a few minutes. The cheese ought to be melted. Oh yeah, that looks good now. Alright, let's get some out of there and see how it looks. Oh yeah. Nice. This looks good. Let's see how it turned out. The first time I made this, I thought maybe the broccoli would get mushy, but it doesn't seem to. It seemed about right to me anyway, so it's pretty hot. I'll get a bite of it here. That came out good. You can eat it just like that or as a side dish. We ate it with pork chops last night. Annie seems excited. I don't know what she'll think of this. I'll just put a little bit of rice and a little ball of rice on my hand there. Oh yeah, looks like it's Annie approved. Honey the kitten's sleeping up on top of the cabinet above the stove again. I was wondering where she was. Usually she's like snooping around and trying to get into stuff, but there she is. So that makes a good side dish, or you could eat it just like that by itself. Actually, you could probably even throw some chicken in there if you wanted to make it more substantial. But anyway, I'll write the ingredients and the whole recipe in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.